Today on Fry the Chef, we're in Conrad's Testoster Zone, where we're putting in a kitchen floor for a neighbor. Why? Because I haven't had a paycheck in forever. Anyway, we're going to start by using our circular saw, our Milwaukee. And the beauty of the Milwaukee is that you put the blade in backwards, so you don't see the lettering, and just slices and dices right through the Hardibacker. There's our Hardibacker right there. So we've already done most of the floor. Just have to put one piece in, clean up the rubble, and we start doing the concrete work and then screwing in. So here we go to the neighbor's house. We've been working all morning. And this is the result so far. I have Hardibacker cut for every corner. Just have one little piece left, and hopefully this guy fits. Sure does. Beautiful. So we've cut all our pieces. We leave an 1/8 inch gap against the wall and against the pieces. A little more is okay. Need a little more back there. And it fits like a puzzle. Now that we've cut everything, we're going to have to pull it all back up and then put down concrete across the whole thing, put it all back down again on top of the concrete, and then use these specifically designed back around screws to fasten it. Still drilling. We got our drill cooled down a little bit from the cement mixing, and we'll finish putting in the Hardibacker screws. Had about 30 more to sink. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 cuts in this small space because it's so small. Oh well, laying tile. It's good to get laid sometimes. So now we have all of our little separators out. Floor feels real good. I've got 99% no lipping. One little spot, but that's no big deal. You can see my foot moves freely over. There's no big lips to prevent it from going. Excellent. And now we're going to mix the grout. So take our drill with our paddle and get it a little looser, thick peanut butter. Leave that sit for 15 minutes, mix it again, and paddle it in. So you get a scoop of the grout and then just pat it in to the cracks. You know, be sure it's way in there. And that's how you do it across the whole floor. Do a section at a time. Wipe it down with a sponge after 15 minutes, letting it set in a bit. Clean it up, and then move to the next section. Takes a while, and then you have to rub it with some cheesecloth. But that's how you grout. So we got the final section. Rubbed it all in. Looks nice. Straight lines. Left gaps near the wall so that the expansion and contraction can happen without the floor buckling. So just wipe this up. We come back in about an hour with cheesecloths, then buff it and wet it down and keep it wet for 3 days.